We were trying to save some houses, and all of a sudden the wind came and the sky turned black. It was just like nighttime.
Oh, it's so smoky.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name's Holly, this is Daniel, and we have our 3 cats, Stella and Ember and Roscoe, and we are on our next adventure.
We're in Hebgen Lake, Montana. We're gonna go through West Yellowstone, get into the mouth of the river that feeds this lake. We are traveling with 2 of my brother's fiance and my grandpa. So we got my brother's black van to the left, grandpa's truck to the right, fiance's car in the middle.
You can see there's multiple fires in Idaho and I believe also in Montana, so the horizon is super smoky.
What do we got? Show me around, Grandpa. You've been walking in here.
Look at that buffalo coat.
We need some rugs, but how much are they on average for these rugs, the buffalo hides? Seems to be really original, handmade, locally sourced. For sure, it's not like typical craft fair stuff. Oh, I'm from Tennessee.
You're a long ways away.
I'm filming if that's okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No, yeah, it's like 2,000 miles out here. You want to get that first?
No, I got this instead.
Alright, cool. The problem we've been having is that there's so many wildfires around. Like, I don't know if you can see this or not, but it is just so smoky. Like, you can't even see the mountain ranges right in front of us. So it's just, gonna be sitting in the orange for a few days here. See how bad this smoke gets. Alright, we found the spot. It's like every single spot's taken except 2. One of them's trash and one of them is freaking perfect. So let's see if we can make it up this little road here. There you go, slowly right, left, slowly left, keep going.
Nice.
Alright, just look at me.
Stella, why you puffing, honey? The dog scared you. Did the dog scare you? Stop puffing. Roscoe, what are you doing, honey? You better get back over here. Good boy.
When I'm on a fire, I'm always smelling smoke.
Right, yeah.
Sometimes, I was on one for like 18 days, 22 days. I got burned on one time.
What do you mean, like physically?
We were trying to save some houses, and all of a sudden the wind came and the sky turned black. It was just like nighttime. So I got out, and when I got out, and that fire was swirling, and the embers burnt my clothes. We have that out there. Fired up. Those guys are all fired up, man. I'm fired up. We're all fired up.
So we got, I don't know, maybe a storm rolling in. It was like super peaceful, and then it started raining out of nowhere. Right. Grandpa says it's from the smoke. But I mean, this guy, it's definitely the most dead one here. Still alive at the top. It's the scariest one. Super chill spot, actually. Got dinner going right now. We got my brother Samuel.
Hola, guys.
Woo! So found us.
This chili is gonna be off the hood, man. And then got Buddy's trout, wild trout.
Yeah, Grandpa. That's chipotle pepper sweet potato chili. Have a good night. Have some good food. We'll see you in the morning. Peace.
Good morning, everyone. Check out the morning view. The smoke has rolling out just a little bit. Still a little bit smoky, but not as bad as yesterday. We're gonna hit some fishing. We're gonna go by the dam first, see if we can get some trout.
We got till 2 o'clock today to fish, because then the fish are too tired to get caught and we can't catch them anymore, according to the law. All right, let's get these fish. It's a log, not a fish.
There's got to be some right there. There are a couple big ones coming out. One of them, I was drifting my fly, and he came up to get it. And as soon as he came up to get it, my line caught the rip current, and it just pulled the fly right out of his mouth, like right in front of it. He chased it.
Samuel got one. Apparently, he's caught 5 today. This one he caught on a spinner. So let's go see what it's all about. Dude, that's a beautiful fish. Walking out, Samuel's on another one. Right, out to the next spot. Samuel caught 6. Everyone else caught nothing, so let's get to it. We gotta pump these numbers up. Next order of business. I think we're going to another fishing spot, but we're going down to Earthquake Lake. So this lake was formed actually when an earthquake happened, so there's still a bunch of trees and everything under the water. You can just see where this entire mountainside slid off, and it's now right there. Look at all that. Just push straight down. On the road again into the valley. On the road again into the valley.
I'm gonna go find camp.
Camp for the night. Got the little kitties free roaming. They were out and about, now they're back in the van. Super cool little stream right here. Backed up straight to it, literally the perfect spot. Roscoe! Where'd you go? Roscoe! He usually stays pretty close. He's in your truck.
He's in my truck. Following. Looking for a mouse.
Maybe. He's hunting. Yeah, Stella's got 2 mice. Look what I found. Looks fairly fresh. But we've got, actually right here, shoot, big hoof and then baby hoof, so that's not good. We got dinner, smoking, tri-tip. It was frozen, so we gotta slow cook it. Alright, but we're gonna argue some more on where we're going tomorrow. Hopefully we figure it out, and we'll see you in the morning.
Go get it. Roscoe's on it. Let me go get that rock, honey. Good morning, everyone. We got the kitties out. They're walking around, exploring. Daniel and I and Grandpa Danny, we're gonna go find a new spot, go fishing, find a new camping spot closer to Yellowstone because we plan on going into Yellowstone tomorrow. So that's a scoop. The great thing about van life is it kind of seems like there's kind of a lot out, but it's really just tables and chairs that need to be put away. So we can literally pack up in like 15 minutes and we'll be off to the next spot.
I think we got the first fishing spot of the day. This big old canyon right here really kind of just drops off the plateaus and then just straight cliff down into the river. So let's see what we got in the Palisades recreation area. Guys, I just had a bite, wasn't filming, but it probably me. I don't think I have big enough tippet right now. A little rainbow looking streamer here. So I don't think I've really caught anything on this, so we'll see. Kind of a big hook for a trout, but let's see what we can do. Bite, nothing landed. That's spot number 1.
We had a bag full of this.
Get over here. Stop it. Come here. Roscoe. No Roscoe. So we are out in Ennis, Montana. Got Gramps and Holly grabbing a beer and some pizza. 3 meat with jalapenos, that's the order. Every time, right, Grandpa?
Yes, and yeah.
Burnt Tree Brewing was Burnt Tree IPA. Solid choice. So, where do we go? We'll find out.
It has been really cool traveling with Grandpa Danny. How old is he, babe?
Oh man, he's like 80 something.
Yeah, he's almost 90, and he is traveling around, sleeping in the back of his truck, living life,
Living the life.
going fishing, nothing stopping him.
Got the squad at camp. It's a long day, tired, but beautiful spot. We're gonna go into Yellowstone tomorrow, and you're definitely gonna want to stay tuned. That's gonna be another video, so check out next week's video. We've been fishing. We're gonna catch some fish the next time.
Yes.
But hope you guys enjoyed the views, the adventure. Plenty more to come, so make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Peace.